Girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that kalamas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Oh, you got a nigga calling on me. Cause I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in.
I look so crazy right now. But hey besties, it's Taraji and I'm back here with another video. So as y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing in today's video. So in today's video, I'm about to be doing a monthly reset or whatever. So yeah, it is June. Well, when y'all see this video, it'll be June 1st. So it'll be perfect to just do a monthly reset. And baby, a monthly reset is very much needed, like for real. So in today's video, I'm about to be washing my sheets, washing and drying my sheets, vacuuming up my room, cleaning the bathroom or whatever, like the tub and stuff like that, wiping off the toilet seats and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be cleaning it up tomorrow, whatever. So yeah, I'm not doing my laundry because I already did it Sunday. So yeah, but anyways, I'm not gonna be doing no more talking until tomorrow. So before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell right anytime I post info for you guys. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Original girl, you want a replica. Smooth diva, regular, regular. Bitch, you for real, I'm bitch, I'm a cellular. Don't say you hot. Hey. For the next whole week, bands too long for so cheap and flex OD, sex OD.
Hey besties, it is currently 2:38 p.m. I had put my sheets in the washer, and then I put them in a, well, my granny put them in a dryer, and then I had put my comforter in the washer. So my comforter is washing and my sheets is drying. My sheets should be done drying in like 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna clean up the bathroom. So yeah.
You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a ride, put the work in. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, get you my last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey besties, so as y'all seen that I put my sheets and my pillowcases on my bed. Now the comforter is in the dryer right now as we speak or whatever, so that's gonna be like a whole nother hour and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know if I put the time on there, but it is currently 4:25 p.m. and I'm thirsty. And as y'all seen, I drank my water this morning, but I'm gonna get another one because yeah, I got my water and stuff. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just like sit on the bed and stuff and wait until my comforter is done or whatever, and then I'll be done with this video. Hopefully this video is long enough. So yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later or whatever. So yeah. Hey besties, so it is currently 5:20 p.m. so I'm about to lay in the bed because I did everything for today and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna lay in the bed and then later on I'm gonna take a shower. So yeah.
Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me.